Happy BOGO Eve, guys. So I'm going live real quick. I'm going to post this on my feed. So tomorrow is the start of BOGO week, or I should say weeks, and I wanted to just kind of fill you in on the details and how you can participate and answer some questions. So BOGO week happens like 2 to 3 times a year with DōTERRA. It's a DōTERRA promotion for our customers, and where you can buy one oil and get one for free. And it is usually 5 consecutive days, and they've kind of changed how they do things. So they announced that they'll be doing it over 2 weeks, Monday through Wednesday. So tomorrow is the start, and it's pretty awesome because you can actually snag up all the BOGOs on that first day. Not knowing what the freebies are, but you'll know what I'll tell you what the ones that are going to be that you buy, but the ones you get for free will not be announced until that day. So each day you will have a buy one, get one. So that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this week, and then next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But tomorrow you actually can snag up all the BOGOs, secure your BOGOs because you know that they will sell out, and you can buy it in a BOGO box. So you can actually save money by purchasing that. So let me answer your questions first. How do you purchase, or if you're interested? So you'll need to be a wholesale customer. Each wholesale customer gets a limit per account. So if you are buying the BOGO box, you get a limit of 2 per account. And then each day, I'm not really sure, they will announce it along with that BOGO, but it could be 4, it could be 5. So in addition to your BOGO box, you can absolutely purchase additional if you feel like, oh, I really liked that day's deal, I want to purchase some more. If you're not a wholesale customer, it's a super good month to get an account because DōTERRA gives you $50 back when you enroll with $150 or more. So that's till the end of the month. So if you're thinking one day, hey, like I really want to purchase and I want to participate, you need to spend $150. Whether that is in a kit, whether that is getting your wholesale account, you're going to be purchasing. If you're getting the wholesale account and you're not quite getting a kit, those waive your membership fee. Otherwise, it's $35. But you're certainly going to be saving in whatever BOGO you're participating. If you're even participating one day, you're going to be saving. And it gives you an account for 25% off for a year. So it's super cool. It's like a Costco membership, but for oils. So you will go ahead and get your account. Then you can participate in other days if you want to, or if you just want to snag up your BOGO box, that's awesome. You can do that. The cool thing too about becoming a member is I kind of bring you under my wing and I take care of you, make sure you know how to use your oils and all those things, get you set up. I give you a welcome pack, so you get some freebies along with that too. So it's awesome. And I'll share more on what that includes, but I want to share with you just how BOGO works and how to do that. So if you're a member, you get to purchase, starting tomorrow, 1 or 2 BOGO boxes. They will sell out. Last time they did not limit the days, so it is tomorrow only that you can get your box, okay? The cool thing about getting the box is, A, you secure your BOGOs, so if one sells out and you're like, dang it, I should have got that, if you're that person, good idea to get your box. Also, you save on shipping. So if you don't know that you can certainly save on shipping through LRP, but you'll definitely save by just having it all in one lump sum sent to you. So that's one way. Each day there'll be a deal. So Tuesday, Wednesday this week, there'll be whatever that freebie is will be announced. So like, for example, the oils over the next 2 weeks that will be to buy, and we don't know what the freebie is that comes along with it. We have Island Mint, which is a 15 ml, turmeric 15 ml, so that's just the oil, Deep Blue 5 ml, Tea Tree or Melaleuca, the 15 ml, Melissa 5 ml, which is lemon balm. I'm not yelling at some girl's name. And then you have 6 free oils. So we don't know what those are, so we don't know what the freebie that is accompanying that is, but you know what you're purchasing. So if you're already like, I love all those oils, you are just paying that wholesale price for those oils. If you were to buy retail, which I do not suggest at all, you're gonna be paying a lot for those. So do not go buy retail, just get your wholesale account. If you don't want to get a kit, it's worth just getting the wholesale price. I will reimburse you if you are doing a BOGO box, or if you're buying all 5 days, I will reimburse you that membership fee, which is $35. So it's really not that much. What else? The price of the BOGO box is $221 wholesale. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 6. So you're getting 11 oils for $220. And then retail, that would be $295. And the box is limit 2. The total PD is 206 PD for those points. So you're saving $141 wholesale. Pretty darn cool. What else? If you're gonna be a member, go to my website. It's in my bio. It's go under become a member and then join as a member. You'll choose the wholesale account, choose whether you want a kit or not. You can certainly bypass the kit, just add your BOGO. So whatever oil is to buy is what you want to add to your cart. What you'll notice is the freebie will show up instantly. So that'll show up right away. Make sure if you're enrolling with me that you see my picture along with my name on there, and then that just shows that you're with me and I'll take care of you. So each day I like to promise my members that I will communicate with you what we have going on. So I'll let you know what the BOGO is. I'll let you know what all the details, what those 2 oils are all about. So that you can make a justified decision if you did not get your BOGO box, or just educate you on how to use those. I'll also post a video each day, and I will send an email. So the email will just have a lot of different information, just put all in one easy email if you're not a part of social media. It's really nice. So if you aren't a member and you want that too, just DM me your email and I'll add you to it. Certainly would love to help you. I will also be, I'll put a post on some classes I'm gonna do. So I decided I'm gonna do a mixture of a couple virtual classes and 1 in-person class. The in-person class is gonna be at the end of BOGO, the 2 BOGO weeks. So I'm gonna do 2 virtual classes. They're gonna be this Wednesday and next at 1:30 p.m. because it's nap time, and Thursday of next week at my house in Gig Harbor at 6 p.m. So I would love to have you. I'm certainly respectful of social distancing or using masks. We'll be diffusing, probably On Guard and Breathe to keep the air nice and clean. I have plenty of space to keep that. So if that is to interest you and you would like to be invited, please let me know. The event will be over on Facebook. But I think that's it, guys. There will also be, our team is doing a giveaway at the end of BOGO for just kind of like a grand prize. But if you're to participate in BOGO, each BOGO you buy is going to gain you a point to, we're gonna do like a post BOGO party and be doing giveaways. So kind of a raffle off that. So it really helps too. But I hope that fills you in and answers all your questions. I can't wait for this week. It's gonna be super exciting, and next week. But if you have any questions, just let me know, okay? Bye.